apple pie.
First, gather your ingredients. You will need 2 pre-made pie crusts, 5 to 7 Granny Smith apples, half a cup of granulated sugar, half a cup of brown sugar, 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, and 1 egg. Take the pie crust out to thaw. You can find these in the freezer section of any grocery stores. Then preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Now we're going to peel the apples. This is probably the most time-consuming part. Now slice the apples thinly, not in wedges. If they are in wedges, they will not cook all the way through. Now in a large bowl, combine half a cup of granulated sugar, half a cup of brown sugar, 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, and 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. This will be the flavor in the pie. Next, put all the apple slices in the bowl. Mix them around and try to coat them evenly. Now layer the coated apples in the bottom of the crust in somewhat of a circular pattern. Follow the shape of the crust. Then carefully remove the second crust from the pie pan. It will probably tear, don't worry, you can mush it back together once it's on top of the pie. Now place it on top of your pie. Now pinch the edges of the crust so that the pie is closed. Then slice off the excess edges. This is the point where you can put a design into the top crust. It can be as simple or as complex as you like. It will not affect the cooking process. Now beat an egg in a separate bowl/container and brush the egg on top of the crust. Wrap tinfoil around the edges of the pie so that the edges don't burn. Now put the pie in the center of the oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 25 minutes. After the 25 minutes, remove the tinfoil, decrease the heat to 375 degrees, and bake for an additional 30 to 35 minutes. Once the pie is fully baked, carefully take it out of the oven and let it rest for 3-ish hours at room temperature. And now you have a lovely pie to share with your friends.
It's perfect. It's very sweet. I like it. Oh my gosh, this is really good.
It's nice. The crust has a good consistency and like the apple part of it. #delicious.